Hey everybody, I thought it would be fun to show you guys me switching out my filming setup once again. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for new videos 4 times a week now. Alright, so this is my daughter's nursery, but we're still remodeling in here for one, and she's still sleeping in our room. And I can't really film whenever I want to when I film in our room because she sleeps in there, so I'm kind of on a constraint there on when I can film. So I decided I'm going to film in here. This is just one of the aluminum windshield cover things. I bought it at the Dollar Tree and I'm going to use it as a reflector. So right now James is putting up all of this remodeling stuff. It's like tools and caulking and things like that. He's just putting into a box. I'm getting all the random stuff that has been put in here on the floor. This has kind of become a catch-all for everything in our house that we don't have a place for. So we're just cleaning up everything really quick. I definitely went a little premature on this, and I bought Ellie an inflatable ball pit for her birthday that's in December. And James had started to blow it up, and then our pump broke, and now I want to deflate it so I can put it up until her birthday, and I can't get the little nozzles undone, so I'm trying. A cute little sign I bought for fall. Y'all, I have a video coming on decorating my house for fall with me. My mom never really decorated for Halloween so much as just fall, and I'm so much more of a Halloween person. But I think I'm going to do a fall decorate with me and then a decorate for Halloween with me. And then I'll just take down Halloween stuff and keep the rest of my fall stuff out until December when I do Christmas. So that's coming. Keep an eye out for that. You could subscribe so you don't miss it. Now I'm just going to move out these little cubes. I think I bought mine from Walmart. It's just a 9-cube storage shelf. I bought it when I lived in my apartment and didn't really have any room for any of Ellie's stuff, so I just bought it, and I think I got 5 of the little cube boxes for it to store her blankets and stuff in, but I'm planning on using it as like her little get ready area when this is her nursery. So now we're in the master bedroom, and I'm just putting up random stuff that I left out, and James is going to go ahead and take my makeup collection across the house. And I think I grabbed, the bench and the trash can, and I am so sorry because it's about to get really shaky because I let y'all walk through the house with us. I'm so sorry. I have my shirt pulled up, but I have a ton of fall decor and Halloween decor that I had bought earlier today. All of my decor that's in here right now is from the Dollar Tree, but if it's not, I'll let you know where I got it. And instead of having to take everything off my desk, James just helped me carry it in here so that I wouldn't have to go back and forth. This is just a little update on what it's looking like. So I'm just going to go through everything and kind of start trying to figure out where I want stuff. I have that mirrored, it's like a letter holder, but I use it for palettes, and then a little marble cut back there with brushes that I end up taking off. But this is just a few of the things I got. These are all from the Dollar Tree. They had a ton of cute skulls and pumpkins and like little votive holders. It was so cool in there. I'm definitely going to go back and get more. I also got some of these fall looking sunflowers that are more orange and a little darker. And now right now I'm just working on cutting the tags off of every freaking thing. James is right there in the floor because he is hooking up our, I think it's an Amazon Echo Dot Alexa assistant thing so that I can listen to music in here still without having to be on my phone. That little bunch I bought is missing an entire freaking flower that I didn't even notice. So, yay, I have a vase. Look at me go. I actually decided to start from scratch again, and I went and picked up one of the cake stands out of my dining room to put in here to add a little bit of height on one side, like on the other side, so it was a little more even. I don't really like a lot of the fall colors. I'm much more of a like black and white and gray, silver, neutral kind of gal. I mean, obviously my entire house is gray and white. So I was a little, restricted on what I could actually pick up at the Dollar Tree. But I pretty much just stuck to pumpkins. I got a few orange pieces, and the rest of it's all black and white. I also picked up that really cool mirror. It's kind of got like a Baroque frame on it that's black, and then it has a skull in the center of it. Thought it was pretty cool. I know it's more Halloween than fall, but I'm going to be transitioning this fall background into Halloween next month, so hopefully it doesn't bother you guys that much. I didn't want to put any holes in the wall until this was Ellie's room to put her stuff up, so I'm trying so hard to balance that mirror up there without it falling around. I struggled with it for several minutes. Now I'm just resituating my little drawer makeup section area. I kept getting stuck on the rug, so just trying to even that out. Here is an overview. I think it turned out really well, and all of these decorations were from the Dollar Tree. Like literally everything on that tabletop except the cake stand, which was I think it was James's grandfather's. So here's this little aluminum window shield thing. I don't even know. I bought it at the Dollar Tree too. I'm just cutting it down to size to fit on my tabletop. And these are supposed to act as reflectors so that there's not so much of a shadow under my chin. And I'm just kind of reorganizing everything again. And this is where it starts to get hilarious. I cut out a lot of it, but it literally took me like 20 minutes to get everything situated. And then as I edited this back, I realized that I'm still not really centered and I need to mess with it some more. But here in just a second, I grab my towel and see if that's actually helping with my shadow. And if you watch my neck, it is. So that was good. Oh, I also just added a marble Bath and Body Works candle behind me to add a little bit more height so you guys can see more of the background. And now I'm literally just scooting around my ring light and my desk and all of that, trying to get a little more centered in here. It's not working out very well. James ended up coming in and helping me kind of straighten it out a little bit, but I'm still not 100% on how it looks, so I'll be fiddling with it in the next few videos. Alright guys, so this is my new filming setup. I'm sure I said it in the voiceover, but this is actually my daughter's nursery, but we're not quite ready for her to be in her own room, and it's not done being remodeled. Like, you guys can't see what I'm seeing, but there's like boxes of stuff everywhere. I know you saw it in like the setting up of this. There's boxes and paint piled up everywhere. There's no baseboards in here. It's just a little bit of a mess in here. But my plan is, because my filming schedule is so strict right now as to when I can film, because I need Ellie to either be gone with one of my parents, James home, or before he goes to work. So like, that really puts me in a bind as to when I can film. I normally film all 3 videos for 1 week in 1 day on Saturday when James is home. So with it being in here, which is clear across the house, you can go and watch one of my home tours. I'm actually going to do an updated one soon, I think. We're still not done, but we're way further than my last updated one. But I feel like with it being over here, I can put Ellie to bed and come in here, and I won't have to talk like quietly like I would in my kitchen. I could be a little bit louder and talk normal because I'm not like right beside her room, well, where she's asleep. So, and also Ellie has a pure princess room. She has this wall behind me, which is silver glitter, and then the rest of it is like blush pink. So I thought this would be really cool. These are her cubes. I don't really have anything in the bottom of them. I think my desk mat and my bananas in pajamas from when I was little is down here. But the rest of the stuff is like my fall decor. So until Ellie is in here, I think this is gonna be the best place for me to film. And I also messed with my lighting. I have the silver down now, which I didn't know if this would actually help, but like, I have my ratty makeup towel and I was putting it down, and now there's a shadow right here, and then when I lift it, there's not nearly as much of a shadow, so I think that really helped. And when my dad excuse me, when my dad gets done painting Ellie's furniture and we can't do the baseboards until her dresser's in, because her dresser is a monster. But until my dad gets done painting that, we can't finish this room, so Ellie can't sleep in here. So I figured until he gets done with that, I can film in here, and then when Ellie comes in here, I can film whenever I want, because James works all of the time. So I'd be able to film, you know, when she's asleep and everything else, and I'd be able to have, not with the cool glitter wall, but a very similar setup in the master bedroom. So I figured this was as good as I could get it for right now. I know I keep switching my filming setups, and I'm so sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm currently doing my 100 subscriber giveaway. I will link it down below in the description box, along with some other videos from my channel that you guys can check out, and my Instagram, so you can keep up to date with new videos and fun things happening in my life. And you should subscribe. You could be in a giveaway. You could help me get to the 200 mark, where I'm doing another giveaway. I'm in a giving mood, okay? It's fall, y'all. 'Tis the season to give, okay? So
I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one in this fun location. I'm actually